Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this Mina Baie Khloe crossbody. Alright, so it's no secret that I love Mina Baie here on this channel, and I have shared a number of reviews on bags from them, wallets, accessories. It's one of my favorite leather brand companies, and this crossbody is up there with one of my favorite crossbodies. I really like this one. I've had it since the end of last year, have been using it kind of off and on, and it's one that is just easy to pack. It's easy to wear. It's one that I'm like, okay, I don't know like what I want to grab or what I'm going to be doing. Let me just kind of grab the Khloe crossbody. Like I feel like it's just can go with a lot of different outfits, like can go with a lot of different places. It's just like one of those easy, comfy, carefree, like leather bags. This crossbody here is in the beautiful tan color. It is full grain leather. This bag comes in a number of different colors. The tan shade from Mina Baie happens to just be one of my favorites. I've had a number of bags in this tan shade. I have a bunch of accessories and wallets, which you'll see packed in here in just a minute, but it's just a really cool kind of casual type color. So how today's video is going to work is I'm gonna go through this bag just really quickly. I'm gonna try it on for you so you can see what it looks like on the body, and then we're gonna put the camera down and I'm going to pack it up so that you can see how things fit inside. Just like with all of my other review and packing videos, I will have linked down below my What's in My Bag blog page so that you can have links and access anything that you've seen inside my bag or maybe another packing video, all kind of in one place. But as always, if you're looking for something that you can't find or have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, let's get into this crossbody. This Khloe crossbody is full grain leather. This is the beautiful tan color. It comes in a number of different colors. Actually, I know it comes in, I believe, black, a couple of other like neutral type shades, and they're always kind of launching new ones. This tan color happens to be my favorite shade from Mina Baie. I have a number of bags and accessories in this tan color. I just think it's a really pretty neutral that goes with a bunch of different things. So this crossbody here is a true crossbody, meaning that the straps are attached here on the side. There's no backpack straps. You can't wear it any other ways, but I guess over your shoulder a little bit longer, or as like a true crossbody. On the front here of the bag, I'll zoom in so you can see, you don't have any pockets or anything like that, but on the back of the crossbody, you do have one big pocket, which is awesome for things that you want to kind of keep protected, but yet still have easy access to. This will be like kind of against your body to protect you just a little bit, but it's a nice big pocket. It's not very deep. You can, actually now that I have it holding up here, I will try to slip my cell phone in it so that you can see, because I know that question will probably come up. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is a larger one, and it fits in there like a glove. So no problems whatsoever. I love the trim kind of detail here on the side of the bag, like the piping that goes all the way around it. I think it just kind of adds something to the bag. And then, like I mentioned, the strap is stationary here on the top of it. Opening up the main opening here of the bag, it is big and roomy. You can actually fit a good bit inside this crossbody. You have an open slip pocket here, a zip pocket here, and then on the other side over here, you have 3 main pockets. You have 2 smaller ones, and then this large one here actually is a magnetic kind of closure, but it can be used as like a divider inside your crossbody. Trying the bag on here for you, just for size reference, I am 5 foot nothing, so I'm quite short, and I have the strap on the longest setting here. I'm actually gonna go, well, let me try it on crossbody so you can see exactly what it looks like here. Like I mentioned, it is on the longest setting, so you could easily make it just a little bit shorter if you wanted to wear it up just like a little bit kind of higher. This is how I like to wear it, especially when it's fully packed. It gets a little bit like bulkier on the body, and I think it's just a really kind of comfortable like length here, like right at my hip bone. If I was going to wear the bag just over my shoulder, I could easily adjust the strap here and kind of clip it in there. And then it makes a really cute, like, shoulder carry bag. So I like to wear it crossbody personally, but you definitely have flexibility in the strap where you can wear it kind of over your shoulder as well. Just to kind of show you here, you have a lot of flexibility and room to really adjust this strap and wear the bag exactly how you want. All right, let's go ahead and put the camera down and pack this Khloe up so you can see what fits inside. All right, here we are, all packed up. It packs up so well. The internal organization on this bag is just really awesome. You don't have any pockets here on the front of the bag, just the Mina Baie logo down here at the bottom. And then on the back of the bag here, you do have one zipper pocket, but this pocket is very, very big. The only thing I have back here actually are my keys at the moment. I usually use this pocket for like a chapstick or something that I need to grab for quickly, receipts, it's like a throw and go pocket, I guess. But it is a pretty like big pocket, so you have a lot of room back here in this one. I love how the straps on this one just kind of lay flat like that whenever you don't have the bag on. Sometimes when straps are not on like a swivel or they're not removable or anything like that, they're very stationary and stiff, and it kind of makes it hard to get stuff in and out of the bag. But this bag is not the case. It's actually really easy to get stuff in and out of. The zippers are nice and smooth, and when you unzip the bag and open it up, it opens up nice and wide so that you can see everything that you have packed inside. It's really, really awesome. I just have a scrunchie here on top, just throw them there. I normally have a clip or something or a scrunchie clipped to my bag or whatever, but that's what was laying right there. And then in the main bulk here in the center of the bag, I have my hand cream over here tucked in the corner. This is a new one for me. I have like the body cream by this brand and I really like it. And I recently saw that the hand cream was available on Amazon. I hadn't seen it in the store yet, but I grabbed it. I really, really like this one. The kids actually comment on the smell of it a lot, like that they really like it, which is odd, but odd for them, I guess. Then I also have a full thing of gum tucked down in here. It's kind of left over from my trip, so I have a big one, and that fits fine down there. I can fit my eyeglasses down in there if I really want to. It's like there's a lot of room kind of in the corners of this bag. Then I have my Kindle that I love so much. I've really, really been enjoying it. A lot of you asked me about it if I like it. I will probably go from my Kindle to regular books from time to time because I have quite the stack of books that I want to read. I must have 5 or 6 of them, and I don't want them to, of course, go to waste. I don't want to double purchase them on here. So you might still see actual books in some of my packing videos, but the Kindle fits perfectly in here. The only other piece that I have in here is the medium piece from the Mia Trio set, I believe is what it's called. It's the pouch trio. There is a small piece, a large piece, comes with a crossbody strap, and then you have this medium piece here which fits perfectly inside this Khloe bag. And inside here I just have all of my small stuff. It's actually like lip products, if we're being honest. I have Band-Aids, I have eye drops, I have this light up mirror, which actually came in super handy. How do I open it? When I was traveling, it was awesome. It just kind of, like looking through the camera, how do I light it up and show you guys? This one lights up here on the back. Little switch, it's awesome. I couldn't believe how much I used this when I was on the airplane and traveling this past week. Besides that, like I said, a bunch of lip products, some Band-Aids, a lip liner, my cuticle cream is tucked down in here. I also have a couple of these like teeth flosser things in that container, some emergency packs. You guys get the idea. It's like all like small cosmetic type things that I don't want to get lost in the bag. Then you can see kind of what it looks like all empty. Over here on this side of the bag, you do have one zipper pocket that I actually don't have anything in. I did have my phone charger tucked down in there earlier, but I took it out to plug my phone in right behind me. But that's a great kind of pocket for cords and stuff like that. Then right up from that zipper pocket, you actually have this leather open like slip pocket, and it is the perfect size for the large Mina Baie wallet. I think it's just like, I don't know, maybe it was made for it, but you could obviously fit the smaller one if you have that one. But this is one of my favorite wallets from Mina Baie. I actually use this one a lot in smaller crossbody bags. You have a pocket right here. On the back, you also have a pocket. You have a spot for cards, and then you have this nice big zipper that you can put gift cards. I have change down in there, cash. It's just a really great slim wallet that you can fit in a lot of different bags, and it's the perfect fit for that pocket right there. Moving the bag around so you can see these pockets just a little bit better. You have one long pocket here that has a magnetic closure, and I don't have anything in that one at the moment. I find when I put a lot in the center of the bag that this pocket obviously gets a little tighter and I don't really have use for it. But if you don't have a pouch or a Kindle or anything like that and things are just kind of loose in here, this is a fantastic pocket to put everything that you just saw in that pouch just down in here with a little magnetic closure so that it keeps it kind of separate from the main part here of the bag. Then you have two small pockets right up from this one, and those I do use. I have tucked down in here my AirPods in my little case that I love. This one's a good one because you can't actually open up your AirPods without pinching the sides, so you don't worry about them like falling off or whatever. So I have this case and the little clip there. Then I also have just a couple of granola bars. I have a Verb bar and a Kind bar. Then I have my pill case that you guys see in all my videos that I love, my little label on the go pill case. Then I also have a Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. I know I normally have my Touchland one in here, which I love, but they launched this new Bridgerton scent and it smells really good. I bought this, I bought a body spray, and I bought a candle. And I'm not a big Bath & Body Works girl, if I'm gonna be honest, but this scent, it had me hooked. So I got a little hand sanitizer. So that is all I have down in there. You can see kind of those pockets back there in the back of the bag. Opens up nice and big. There's just so much organization. This is a really great crossbody. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in the Mina Baie Khloe crossbody. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. I will have links to everything talked about today down below as well. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.